In today's video, I'm going to tell you about 5 iPhone settings you should turn off today to improve your privacy and battery life. Did you know your iPhone ships with features that quietly sip power and collect activity data in the background? In a few minutes, we'll switch off 5 culprits so your battery lasts longer and your information stays more private. Feel free to pause this video or slow the speed down as you follow along. First, let's stop location tracking of places you visit most. Open Settings, the gray gear icon, then go to Privacy and Security. Top Location Services, scroll to the bottom and choose System Services. Select Significant Locations. You may be asked to authenticate. Turn off the switch at the top so it goes from green to gray. That disables the log of your frequent locations and reduces background GPS activity. Next, block apps from tracking you across other apps and websites. Go back to Settings, open Privacy and Security, and tap Tracking. Turn off Allow Apps to Request to Track. When this is off, apps can't prompt you to follow you around the web for targeted ads, which is a win for privacy. Now, cut down on background activity that drains your battery. From Settings, tap General, then Background App Refresh. Tap Background App Refresh at the top and choose Off. Your apps will still fetch new data when you open them, they just won't constantly refresh when you're not using them. Fourth, turn off personalized ads from Apple. In Settings, open Privacy and Security and scroll to Apple Advertising. Toggle off personalized ads. This reduces how your behavior is used to tailor ads across Apple apps. Fifth, silence those in-app rating pop-ups. Head to Settings, tap App Store, and switch off in-app ratings and reviews. You'll still be able to rate apps manually on the App Store whenever you want, without interruptions. Here's a quick bonus tip for powering down your iPhone the easy way. In Settings, go to General, scroll to the bottom, and tap Shutdown. Slide the power slider to the right. To turn it back on, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Great job! You've just improved your privacy and battery life with a handful of quick changes: trimming location history, blocking app tracking, stopping background refresh, disabling personalized ads, and turning off review requests. Your iPhone will work just as it did before, only leaner, quieter, and more respectful of your data.
If this helped, please share it with someone who could use a longer-lasting, more private iPhone.